What success really is and what it means to you is the question that every business owner, every entrepreneur should ask themselves, that why they have started this business. Because if you don't know why the hell are you doing this, then there is no reason of doing it. There's going to be like dreams without goals. You don't know where you are going. Let me give you an example that whenever I think of a success, the things come into my mind are that I want to have my own freedom. I want to retire my parents. I want them to travel the world. I want to have my own Lamborghini. I would not stop until I get it. So you should ask yourself this question after watching this video, that why? And trust me, when you get the answer of this, you'll be more productive and you'll see some differences. And the reason I'm making this video, that this question, what is success, and the answer, both are very difficult. Means this question doesn't come into everyone's mind. I'll tell you in this video that why this question comes into my mind. And by the way, this video is not scripted. This thought came into my mind and I thought, why not share it with you guys? So this will definitely bring some value to you. So keep watching it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel as well. So let's come to the main point. This is because of a shopkeeper, which by the way, I was seeing that shop in the same place with the same person, and he is the owner of that shop. You guys have probably read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. He explained the 4 different parts of earning money. The first one is employee, self-employed, business, and investors. So that shop comes into the second category, self-employed. So as a true entrepreneur, I want everyone else to be a businessman, because I don't like them to be working so hard and still be in the same place after 10 years. So being very curious, I went up to him and asked him that why isn't he thinking of scaling this business? And the answer he gave me really shocked me, because this is the same question I have already asked many small business owners, and most of them gave me the same answer, that it is very hard to find a person who will manage their shop and be as good as them. If you are the business owner, only you and you is going to work hard for your business, not anyone else, if they are not a partner with you. And some told me that they don't have enough capital, investment, or resources to open another location, which by the way, these excuses are lame excuses, because whenever I see the big brands and they manage to open hundreds of different locations in different countries and still manage to make profits, then why don't they can open different locations and make profits? So coming back to the shopkeeper's answer, which by the way is the main point of this video, is that he told me that he is happy with what he is earning, that he still managed to afford all of his expenses, managed to eat 3 times a day, managed to spend time with his family, and he don't feel the need of opening another shop or scaling this business, because he is happy. And normally, you know what I do whenever someone give me an excuse of not scaling the business, I try to convince them that somehow if they listen to me. But after his answer, I stood there in silence without even saying a word or convincing him. I just came back home. Still, I remember after that, when I came home, I sat on my sofa and started thinking, because that answer really changed my thinking about success. Before that, I just think success as being wealthy and having a lot of money and all of these things. Still, my point of view, success is different, because whenever I think of freedom and traveling the world, it makes me happy. So after squeezing the word success, the juice really means success without happiness is nothing. If there's no happiness, then there's no success. So this is why it is very important to think that what success really means. Is it going to make you happy? Because what if you're $1 million mansion and Lamborghinis and all the things, and your parents are not happy with you, and you don't have anyone to love you, and you're sitting all alone in that house? Is it really worth it? No, it's not worth it. So try to be careful while you're achieving your goals. Do not let any of your loved ones go away from you, because at the end only happiness matters, even if you are successful or not. Because I know a lot of people who have a lot of money and they're not happy. Just like I give you an example now, he is more happy than any other rich person out there, because he know what he really wants. And the important thing is, don't let others' happiness fool you. If they think that just being rich is happiness, and you'll also try to think the same, then it doesn't work like that. Everyone's happiness have different criteria. So I hope that you get what I'm saying now, and now you'll find that why you are doing your business or something, if it makes you happy or not, if it really means success to you or not. And do tell me in the comments if you don't understand anything. I'll comment back to you as soon as possible, and do tell me that what are the things that makes you happy, because sometimes it helps others to find their way towards happiness and success. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.